In the heart of a sunlit meadow, where flowers swayed and leaves whispered, lived a little snail named Sammy. He was small, slow, and shiny, but full of big dreams. Every day, Sammy watched in awe as Buzz, the fastest bee in the meadow, zoomed from flower to flower. Buzz was famous for being quick, clever, and just a little bit full of himself. "Why do you stare so much, slowpoke?" Buzz teased one morning, sipping in circles around Sammy. "I'm just wondering what it's like to fly so fast," Sammy replied, calm and steady. "Maybe one day I'll race you." Buzz burst out laughing. "You? Race me? You'd need a year's head start." But Sammy smiled. "Let's race tomorrow. Sunrise. Across the meadow to the big oak tree. Word spread like dandelion fluff. A snail versus a bee?" All the meadow creatures gathered the next morning, giggling and buzzing with excitement. The race began. Buzz zoomed ahead like a yellow lightning bolt. Sammy just started sliding forward, slow and steady, leaving a glistening trail behind. But halfway through the race, Buzz got distracted. He zipped over to some daisies, stopped to show off his loop-de-loops, and even took a nap inside a tulip. Meanwhile, Sammy kept going, inch by inch, never stopping, never rushing. By the time Buzz woke up and realized, Sammy was already halfway up the big oak tree, almost at the finish. Buzz darted forward with all his speed, but it was too late. With one last stretch, Sammy touched the bark and smiled. He had won. The meadow went silent. Then, cheers erupted. Even Buzz buzzed in respect. "Guess being fast isn't everything," Buzz admitted. "You're slow, but you've got heart," Sammy winked, "and a shell full of patience." From that day on, Sammy was a meadow legend, not because he was the fastest, but because he dared to dream and kept moving forward, one little inch at a time.